Using social media for your brand is an absolutely essential marketing tool to boost your discoverability, engage with your customers, and create strong brand equity. But with so many platforms to choose from, each specializing in certain areas and used by specific demographics, it can get a little overwhelming to determine which platform will serve your marketing strategy the best. So stay tuned to this video as we'll help you decide which social media platform your business should focus on. Hey guys, it's Liv here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. The first social media platform, and one undoubtedly you've heard of, is Facebook. With 15 years under their belt, Facebook is still one of the most used social media platforms out there. With access to analytics, this platform will allow you to examine how your customers are engaging with your content in great detail. It also provides you the flexibility to categorize your company for search, add mission statements, product catalogs, awards, give customers a chance to do reviews, and most importantly, give you the opportunity to advertise. With statistics showing that 74% of users visit the platform at least once a day, current affairs and the latest news can go around quickly. Facebook hosts mostly topical and current news, as well as provides personal details about individuals, hence an all-rounder platform to engage with prospects. While an extremely wide range of users are on Facebook, it's important to note that usage among teens and young adults have shifted towards apps like YouTube and Instagram, as reported by a recent Roy Morgan study. The second social media platform is Instagram. Perfect for showing off visuals, Instagram is one of the most effective platforms for engaging with your followers. Instagram engagement is the best of any platform, coming in at 1.73% for businesses, definitely beating Facebook. With the platform's 1 billion users, 72% are teens. To add to that, the platform is dominated by the 18 to 24 age group, making up a huge 59% of their audience. Instagram Stories, Instagram TV, and Instagram Reels expand the platform's content sharing range, letting you engage with your followers in a multitude of new ways, from expiring 15-second clips to cinematic long-form videos. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Next on the list is LinkedIn. With about 300 million active monthly users, LinkedIn performs 277% better than Facebook when it comes to generating visitor to lead conversions. It's also known as the place where salespeople interact with prospective clients and employers interact with potential employees. While you won't find many memes or holiday updates on this platform, 91% of executives believe that LinkedIn is the top choice for professionally relevant content. Fueled by your passions and interests, this platform benefits individuals looking for new information, ideas, and perspectives. This way, many users utilize the platform to build expertise, network with fellow business owners, and build authority. While there are many more platforms available, the last one you should definitely consider is YouTube. As the second highest used social platform behind Facebook, YouTube has 1.3 billion users, with 80% of them within the age range of 18 to 49. Similarly to Facebook, this platform provides access to a lot of analytics and an opportunity to interact with those engaging with your content. As a social network, you're able to show your presence through responding to comments on your videos and communicating with like-minded individuals who are also creating content on the platform. As well as this, YouTube provides a feature to create playlists of videos on a similar theme or topic. So, using the concept of providing helpful information to prospects to create brand awareness, you can share your videos with others to increase your perceived value. From daily vlogging to cute cat videos, the platform has extensive room for content. So ensuring you're on the right platform is key to having a successful social media strategy. Considering your intended audience, communication methods, and content types is a must when choosing which platform to be in. Check out the blog that we've linked below this video, where we've got a quiz to see which platform could be best for your business. Now, while you may have just chosen one, don't be discouraged to go for another platform, ensuring that the second platform complements your brand image and your target audience. But don't go overboard, as too many platforms may cause a disconnect between the branding between each platform. During the initial stages, it's easiest to really focus on just one or two. In doing so, you'll definitely gain greater benefit with consistent branding than utilizing all channels half-heartedly. Once you've uploaded your first post, that's the first step in creating your brand community. Next is to engage, The social aspect of your social media means that you should continue to interact with prospects and engaging in more ways than simply just uploading content. Engaging with your audience means interacting with them, which can be seen as having conversations with individuals about your industry, the brand, or the products and services. Having great encounters with your audience is a surefire way for your brand to become top of mind to your audience and become loved in the future. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with social media marketing. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. So that's it from me. Happy marketing.